Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Morena, Mr. Sun. Morena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me live 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. Tēnā koutou Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā! We're cleaning up the playground. It's all dirty after it being so windy. It's my job to pick up leaves. My job is to pick up the peka, branches, and rākau, sticks. O and I are wiping the poles till they're clean.
You're doing an awesome job of looking after your playground, Tākaro Tribe.
Waia, wow, wow, wow! Tēnā koutou Ngāti Tākaro.
Waia, wow!
I have a pānui, an announcement. Papa Rākau has a present for you.
Ooh, a present. I hope it's a beautiful puti flower. Ugh, I hope it's kind for me and my puku belly.
No more time for guesses. Go find out from Papa Rākau.
You're right, Kōkā. Let's go see Papa Rākau.
Amariki mā, noho mai ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai ki ngā kōrero o te ao marama. Aue.
Ah, Tākaro Tribe, you've arrived.
Kia ora, Papa Rākau.
Perhaps Rongo-mā-tāne has sent you something.
Oh, that's so cool, Papa Rākau. What kind of present is it, Papa Rākau?
It's a gift that comes from Rongo-mā-tāne. Your job is to look after, support, and to help grow this gift.
Ooh, sounds exciting.
Here you go. It's a seed, kakano.
Ooh, what kind of kakano seed is it, Papa Rākau?
You'll have to wait and see. Here are some tapu-tapu, tools to help you plant the kakano.
Thank you for these taonga gifts, Papa Rākau. But how do we plant the kakano seed?
Our friends at home will show us how. Let's follow the steps.
ētahi. Firstly, dig small holes in the soil. Secondly, put the kakano seeds into the holes and cover them with the soil. Thirdly, water the soil.
Ah, yes, that's exactly how you whakatō. Plant kakano.
Leave the kakano so they can feel the sunshine of tamanui te rā. And they will grow into a tree. Yay!
Amazing stuff, Tākaro Tribe. Visit Kōkā now to ask her for some wai, water.
Good idea, Papa Rākau. Let's visit Kōkā.
Kia ora tamariki mā, noho mai ki tōku taha, noho mai ki tō Kōkā taha, Hei Māori ora. Kia ora Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā.
You're having fun today.
We're planting our kakano seed by the Papa Tākaro playground.
How clever of Pāpā Rākau to give you a kauri seed.
Ooh.
You must water your kakano so it can grow into a rākau, a tree.
Ngā mihi, Kōkā. All right, time to start. Tuatahi, firstly, you dig a small hole into the soil. Look at my hands! They're all dirty! Tuarua, put the kakano seeds into the hole. Tuatoru, thirdly, water the soil. The last step is to leave the kakano, the seed, to enjoy tamanui te rā's sunshine. Whoa! What is that, tipu? Plant. It's a kauri tree, just like Papa Rākau. We love Papa Rākau, and now we're growing a Pēpē Rākau. Yay! Pēpē Rākau! Ooh, our ringa hands are dirty. Let's wash them. Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. Kia ora, Kōkā. Did you see our kakano seed, Kōkā? It's a kauri seed, and it'll grow into a tree just like Papa Rākau.
You did some fantastic work today, Tākaro Tribe.
Thank you, Kōkā.
Let's Spell the new kupu word you learned today. How clever of Pāpā Rākau to give you a kauri seed. You must water your kakano so it can grow into a rākau. Oh, Pāpā Rākau was calling you.
E noho rā, Kōkā!
Kia ora anō Ngāti Tākaro. Te āhua nei I tutuki I a koutou ngā mahi o te rā.
Ai! When the kakano seed starts growing into a tree, we'll call it Pāpā Rākau.
That's an excellent name for your tree, Tākaro Tribe. Let's celebrate with a waiata. Let's take a look at what you did today. This morning, you were cleaning the playground. Then you came to get the gift of a kakano, seed. You followed the steps. First, you dug a hole. Then you put in the kakano, seed. Then you watered it. You also learned to spell the word kakano. Ka-ka-no. Kakano. Magnificent job, Tākaro Tribe.
What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Po Māori e. Good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Roi a tō mata, parai he hia o niho, kuhuna o kakamoe po Māori e kuhu ki te moenga, takoto iho ki raro, e pai ai o moe moe ia. Kia